The people are real. The cases are questionable. The rulings are definitely fake. These people have COVID-19 disputes. Both parties have agreed to drop their complaints and have their issues resolved remotely here in Kyla's court. They've submitted their disputes through our online forum for a resolution from Judgy Kyla. And now, here's Judgy Kyla. All rise. Kyla's court is now in session.
Thank you. You may be seated. Today we're resolving yet another important legal dispute submitted to us via Twitter. Mellis Ellis, at Melly_Ellis, writes, "My husband claims it is the person who puts the laundry in the wash to check the pockets. I think if you are putting your clothes on the dirty clothes basket that you have ensured there isn't anything in the pockets. Who gets the verdict?" This is an age-old dispute, and my ruling is very simple, and it's for good reason. The person who takes the clothes off should ensure the pockets are empty. When you have your pants on, you know what's in the pockets of them, because you put it there. The person doing the laundry can't tell whether something in your pocket is a crumpled up old McDonald's receipt from the cheeseburger you bought that afternoon, or an important receipt you're going to need for your taxes. And they shouldn't be charged with the responsibility of sifting through every pocket and every pair of pants and every article of clothing when they're already going to the trouble of doing your laundry for you. I mean, honestly, this kind of sounds like just general male laziness to me, because I'm getting the impression, Mellis Ellis, that you're the one doing the laundry and your husband's just piling the clothes up. So, to settle this dispute and to make your husband understand why the person wearing the pants must check the pockets, I'm going to issue an order. My order is that your husband must do every load of laundry in the house according to your instructions for the next 30 days. That's my ruling.
Tune in for another exciting episode of Kyla's Court.
Kyla's Court is not a real court. All submissions are the express property of Kyla Lee Heavy Industries and Lee Pharmaceuticals, a division of Lee Shipbuilding and Dredging.